Sometimes we may use our smartphone for so many times. If you are using Threads application, you can set one reminder. If you are using Threads application for more than any time, a notification will come saying that you are using Threads application for this much time, take a break. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about how to set break reminder in Threads. For this, open Threads application. After that, down here you can see profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that above, you can see two lines. Click on these two lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see account option. Click on account. In account, you can see one option break reminder. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, by default, it will be set to never. That means no notification will come. If you want to set it to 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you can do that. If you are setting it to 30 minutes, if you are using Threads application for 30 minutes, after that, one notification will come saying that you are using this application for this much time, please take break. So it's a useful feature. So this way you can easily set break reminder in Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.